The question in this video is how to create 3D objects in Xcode and in Swift 3. This is obviously the first step in creating a game. Well, in games, there are actions and interactions between characters and objects. However, we would need to create objects first, 3D objects. So I here have Xcode, and I will create a new Xcode project and a single view application. And next, I will give it a name, beginner game, any name, and next. Okay, here I will create it. Alright, it's created already, and we have these files, app.swift, ucontrol, so, and then there was main storyboard. I would add another file. I go to File, New, and again File, and here SceneKit scene file, this one. Next, I create, and it is a simulator, and you can create your objects here, and also create the way they are related to each other, character, like the relations. And here you have like storyboard, you have a library of objects and camera and light. And you would need this anytime when you're making the game, actually. Let me add two objects. I'll scroll down and would add a sphere here and also a cone here, a cone. Alright, and if you go up here, you can see these properties of editors and information about the objects, like this, and you here see the name and also the position of this, these functions as the wall, and these indicate the position of the cone. Let me go to this circle here and give it some color, diffuse, red. Also this one, and green, or any color. Well, I would zoom out a little bit and look. This is the camera. Well, this is an object itself, and again you have here the camera, and you can learn about the position of the camera and other characteristics. Look, it is the camera, the sphere, and the cone, the object. I have a slide. Let me show that to you. This, look, and the scene. Then that is referred to the world, to the environment in which we want to create our game, and then the perspective, the camera, and the ground, then light and objects. So for each of these we would need to write codes actually. Although we have this simulator, and we could kind of create our objects and relationships among them, kind of representing them in this environment. However, we would need to write codes, and that would be in this view control Swift. Okay, so I will here import SceneKit, or just import scene. Oh, I have it here. Okay, yeah. Then under class here, I would need to put my variables. So, the hierarchical model. So I would begin with scene, var scene, okay, colon, scene, yeah, okay, and an exclamation mark. Well, this would mean that this scene is an instance of this one. So if you drop it, then it would not mean that, and so you wouldn't be able to program your game anyway. Then next would be the camera, actually, camera, and node, this one. Okay, again the exclamation mark. And the other one is the ground. Let me use floor, var floor colon, this one. Okay, all of these are parts of the same node, like the camera, floor, and next would be var light. And we will have the objects, a cone and a sphere. Let me put sphere first, var sphere, and the last one would be, I will have two objects, cone and again the node. these are variables. So we're going to have the scene, the camera, and then the floor. So we would look through the camera, or from this perspective at the scene, and there will be light. We can't see objects without having light, actually. And then our object will be sphere, and it will be a sphere and a cone. Okay, I would need to load this here under view did load. So I'll go to this function and would begin. We would need to write codes for all of them, making statements, definitions, and would instruct actually this function what to do, or what we expect the function to do, expecting the computer, actually the app, to do. So let's begin with scene there. So scene here, and the equal sign, and we would put view, and would write frame view frame. So this would mean that we have the frame here, and the scene is within this frame, the SCN view. Okay, scene. Well, scene is like image or text, and SCN scene. What is that? Yes, it's here. Scene, and which indicates type, like finite. A finite list of items. We could put in these parentheses, and self view add self view. We here have it, and scene. What this scene, the green one, this scene is a sub view of SCN view. It's just I'm sure you understand what's going on, actually. So we have created our code for the scene. Then we would need to go, to do the second one, the camera. And let's have let camera, well, it could be any camera, but this particular camera is a SCN camera. Do we have it here? No. Yeah, we now have it. Okay. And the parentheses. Self camera again, and well, this is node, not camera. Okay, self camera, again, camera. Well, this second camera is like image or like scene in this in this statement. Cool. Camera. Okay. And the final would be self we're going to put the position of the camera and position equal sign, and it is SCN. Oh, I have to find it here, and I would put X. This is X-axis colon -3 comma, and Y 5, and Z colon 35. Well, I'm sure you will follow what this means here. And the camera, the position of the camera is going to be, the values are these. It is 35 on the Z-axis and -3 and 5 on X and Y respectively. Okay, so I'm done with the camera. So I have the scene and then the camera. Now the third one is floor. Okay, let me write light first. I think we have the camera and then light and then floor. No, light probably comes immediately after camera, although the order here is not important, but I will do it first. I will do light first. Okay, let me give it a space. Let spotlight equal to SCN light. And now I want to write about the type of the spotlight, type of the light. Spotlight again, and type that would be SCN light. Well, this is equal CN light type and spot. Well, I would like to explain something here. If you put, I mean, there are several types of light. If I put omni here, look, this one, and these are the types: spot, probe, and directional. Well, I would choose spot, and I'm sure you understand the difference between these different types of light. Next would be, I mean, we wanted to have shadows. I mean, the objects to have shadow, or at least to see shadows in order to make them look realistic. So this would be for their shadows. So, and dot cast shadow. I here have it, and this would be true. Okay, if you said false, then there would be no shadow. And I think I want to keep it as short as possible and as simple as possible. So I'm done with this. Perhaps if I add something like about the characteristics of the light, that would make a more attractive scene. So let's put spotlight again, and spot. Well, yes, I have it here in the angle, and that would let me give it 70 degrees actually. Okay, and I would also need to have an angle for the, I mean, we would have to have the outer angle. Again, spotlight, and spot. This is outer angle, and let me put 120. Yes. I'm done with light 2. If I run the app at this moment, nothing would appear. I would need to add something to the light, and that is information about the position of the light, where to put the light. So this light, we have it here. Oh, look, it's here, and I mean, we want to write codes about the position of this light, our light, and this is actually a part of the node. Let's see. And node. Yes, it's here. Okay. And we would need the parentheses. That means this light is an instance of SCNN node. And light, well, this is like image and like scene, the second light. Yes. I think you can follow what's going on. And next would be light. No, just white and whiteness. That's it. Light dot position of the light. And yeah, I here have it. Okay, this SCN vector 3, and well, I would need to put X minus 5. I will change them later. I mean, you would need to put them in the right place, or depending on your game and relationships that you wish to create between characters or objects in your game. And this one, Z, would be 3. I just do it as a result of some experience, this minus 5, 5, and 30. And also, I think I'm done with light 2. So look, scene, camera, light, and then let's go to floor. Okay, we will begin with let. Floor geometry. And okay, floor, I have to look for that. Do we have it here? No. Yes, it's here. And well, the parenthesis, what's wrong with that? Well, nothing apparently. And now, I mean, here we have some object. I mean, this is actually an object, and so we would need to determine its material, its color, obviously, or texture, or other aspects of the material from which this object is made. So next would be here floor material. We don't have it here. Material. Okay. And well, I would make statement that floor material is CN material. It's here. Look, I mean, this is my word, and this one is SCN material. So this, I mean, the type, and we here again have the type, and putting the parentheses. So now we would go to the geometry. Floor geometry, yes, we have it here. Materials. Brackets, we have brackets. and floor material. Yes, and also floor. Well, this floor, look, this one is here. We have it here, like that's our variable, or our floor. And then the node, CN node. Yeah, we have to mention the node because it's a part of the node. And geometry. Yeah, this is it. Okay. This is floor geometry. Okay. Yes. I think we have everything other than I think we need to tell the app about the color of the floor, and that would be floor material and diffuse. Oh, okay, this is for color, and contents. I mean the contents of the diffuse, and then equal sign and the UI color. I mean, it's just obvious. And this would, let me give it red. Yeah, I have red here. Okay. Now I think if we run the application, the simulator, we would probably get the floor, the color of the floor, the position of the, and the position of, well, I have not said anything about the position, but let's see what happens once the simulator shows the scene.